Waheen. And this is power by, and that one 5-star hotel and Tops Market. And this road almost busy Waheen city. City is very beautiful. So many cars here. Traffic is, I think, little bit is more traffic. And this is market, have also McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Starbucks. This mall, Market Village, Waheen. Tuk tuk from Waheen. Beautiful city, Waheen. So many foreigners here. Otherwise, I have to go right now on the beach. And that one is the White Villa Hotel. And Market Village. Lotus shopping mall. Wine City. Yes, that one is the bus stop. The downside. Okay, so right now I have to go on the beach. We will see beaches. In Wayne cities, I think is more beautiful. They have a lot of market, shopping mall, hotels, everything. Yes, right now here is 5-star hotels, and just few minutes going to Waheen Beach. Yes, so yes, viewers, right now already I came near in the beach. Oh, it's very beautiful, nice view. shut. Is cannot walking is problem because Sunday. Beach from Wahine city, Thailand. Very, very beautiful. They have a lot of resort and five-star hotels and shopping mall. Everything is very nice, beautiful area. Beach, Wahine. Then a lot of foreigner here every day. Thailand is tourist country, but a lot of people come just arrival in Bangkok first. Then after going to Phuket and Pattaya. But some people knows this city about Wahine. Wahine also a beautiful city. This is the tourist plant. Everyone can come here. Same like Phuket, this area. I think some parts of this side, maybe some area is raining right now. Maybe later raining come here also. So I have to go later another side because the beach area is no safe for the raining sand. About raining. This Wahine city here and same front of this side Thailand is Pattaya. Pattaya, Chamburi, this beach finish, this water on second side, all Thailand, Rayong, Pattaya, Chamburi, Siricha, Sataip, that side, all. Here also have some boats going to from Wahine jetty to Pattaya. Water is very cool. I don't know what is the beach this, because the summer time is water also cool. Oh shit. Oh, what is this? Yeah, people can play this. I don't know, maybe I will ask here. Because they may be flying, sorry, same like that. Oh, very, very beautiful. Thailand is very beautiful. Yes, very nice, beautiful beaches in Wahine. And right now this is downtown city area. The Wine City, big intersection from under a bridge of train, and this one city, downtown, the main city is Wine from here. That side is the beaches area and resort and five-star hotels, all front of the beach. But this side is normal, like journal type. Everybody stay here, and poor people, rich people, all together here, and market and shopping mall, selling, restaurant, food court, everything here available. Wine is beautiful city and no more boring here. A lot of people busy and almost foreigner come to visit here. You will see now one foreigner is buy something. 5-star chicken. They have all lot of restaurant inside the food court. Do not, I don't know what is this, motorcycle maybe not allowed. Lotus. Convention, apartment, Lotus shopping mall, market, supermarket, everything this is stray. Tuk-tuk available like that, and fish cooking. Waheen. There is some rent house and apartment like that. It is cheaper in Waheen. So viewers, right now Waheen is very big city, but some area is very far. I cannot walk from here because it's very far. But is the front side, the beach, all 5-star hotel, resort, and nice place, view, sea view. And that is right side is almost city, market, shopping, malls like that, apartment, hotels is cheaper hotel this side, and that side is more expensive because for about the beach. Right now this video finish for the Waheen city visiting, Waheen, Thailand. So we will meet next video. Thank you for watching my channel and take care. Bye bye.